Welcome to another Business Tech Planet video. Today, we'll show you how to get currency rates in Excel. If you want to find the latest currency prices and view the data in a chart, you can do that in Excel without needing an API. Start by making a table with a single column, titled Currencies. Then start typing the currency pairs you're interested in, ensuring that the currencies are separated by a /. We'll be comparing USD to 4 other currencies, but you can check the description for a full list. When you're done, click and drag to highlight the currency pairs. Then head up to the top menu, and click Data. Then select Currencies in the ribbon. You should now see a small Add Column icon. Click the icon and select the data fields you want. Repeat the process to add additional columns to the table. When you're done, you can now select all the data in your table, including the headers. Now head up to the top menu, and click Insert. You can now choose from a range of different charts that can help you to visualize the data. We'll select a bar chart for this example. Great! We can now view our data visually instead of relying on numbers in a table. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, why not buy us a coffee? We'd really appreciate it, and you'll be helping us grow the channel. Thanks for watching. Remember to check the description for additional resources. And don't forget to subscribe for more Microsoft videos.